Hi there. In this video session, we're going to show you how you can create an Instagram story that's engaging using Canva. You can go to canva.com and sign up for a free account, or you can go pro like I am for some extra features. Right now, I'm going to pick Instagram story. If you wanted to, though, if it didn't pop up on here, you can start typing Instagram story and it'll bring up all the templates. If I start with this and click the template, I'm going to get one page of a whole bunch of different templates that then I can kind of use as a jumping off point. So there's a variety of templates here. Maybe I'm wishing someone a happy holiday. Maybe I'm providing a client testimonial. Maybe we should do that one. So I'm going to click on here. I just got a great testimonial and I want to start customizing this. So what we're going to do is we're going to obviously copy and paste the set of text into here. We can swap out the photos a couple of different ways. One, we can go to photos and pick a stock photo. One of the perks of going pro with Canva is that you've got all of these stock photos to choose from and you can use them completely free. You can just drag any of the stock photos onto that existing photo because it's a separate element too, and we're just using this as a jumping off point. You can resize the images, you can add your own, or you can add and remove the background images as you need. So I'm just going to click that, maybe check the background color. I'm going to make it black. Oh, I can't see that. Maybe I make it white. So there's a variety of different ways to customize this. The other thing that I can do is instead of just using a still shot, I can do things like add an animation or maybe a certain element. Maybe I want to put some emojis in there. You can drive around and pick different things by simply clicking on the sidebar. You can also upload your own images and videos if you click on the uploads button. This is great for doing things like putting in your signature, keeping your branding consistent, and things like that. I'm going to go to elements right now and I'm going to type in, emoji. I want to make this pop and I'm going to say yay because my client gave me a great testimonial. I'm going to put that little guy down there and I can just start building things. If I had a video that I wanted to add, I could go down and click videos. Maybe I want this as my background image. It's getting to be a festive time. There we go. Now that one doesn't really work with this, so I'm just going to get rid of that, but you get the idea. We can also animate this. So if we want to create an engaging sort of post and we're using still shots, one of the cool things that you can do is you can use Canva to animate it. You click on the animate button and then you can pick from a variety of different features that will allow you to kind of give your Instagram story a little bit of pop. Once you're done this part, you can even add pages to it. So see, this is 5 seconds given the animation. You can either duplicate the page and maybe write another testimonial, use that as your jumping off point, or you can add a blank page and pick from another template or starts from scratch to make your animated story a little bit longer. Once the animation is done, what you'll want to do is download it as an MP4. If you downloaded it as another file format, such as a PNG, you would lose the animation. So you want to download it as a video. Once that video has been downloaded, if you're on your computer, it's going to be a little bit hard to get it to paste to get it into Instagram. You'll have to email it to yourself or airdrop it or maybe download it from your Google Drive. The other thing that I do though is I have my Canva installed on my phone. So I'd finish it on my computer if that's the place I was working. And then I would log into my Canva account and I know that it's going to be saved in my library. At that point, I've got an awesome story to share with my followers, and you can highlight it after. You could even ask a poll on top of that. You can use any of those Instagram features to take your story even farther. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Can't wait to see your stories.